G'day, it's time to undercoat some walls. It's pretty dark outside, so I hope it's not too dark. So we've got all these walls to undercoat throughout the house. So you can see we've got them there. Just started there. We'll just go through all these walls here. We've got a bit there to do. It's not a little house, but it's not a big house either. A couple of big walls in here. So that's what I've got to do before I go home. That'll probably take me an hour, and after that hour I'll probably feel it. Trust me, I'll feel it. And I'm using Berger Gold Label Seal Undercoat. This baby here. I'm using the big tray, and I'm using the big 460 roller sleeve.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing.